Sahil here. Today we have this question. This question is being taken from Australian Mathematics Olympiad 2018. It's a problem number 1 of day 1. Now let's see the question. The question says that find all pairs of positive integers n comma k such that n factorial plus 8 is equal to 2 raised to power k. Now let's see the question. See, it says that n factorial is equal to 2 raised to power k minus 8. I can write. Now I can write same quantity as 8 into 2 raised to power k minus 3 minus 1. I take 8 common. Well and fine. Now see, from this expression can I say that here I am getting 8. So this n factorial should be multiple of 8. Should be multiple of 8. Well and fine. Now second thing, if you carefully observe that this quantity is even. This quantity is even. And this quantity is even minus 1 is odd, so I can say that this whole quantity is odd. So for sure this number should be something like that, 8 into some odd quantity. Well and fine. Now since it is a multiple of 8 and we know that the least factorial number which is a multiple of 8 is 4 factorial, because in 4 factorial I'm getting 2 as well as 4. That's why it is a multiple of 8. So from here I can conclude that n is greater than equal to 4. Well and fine. Now let's come to this point, 8 into odd. Now here I got from 4 factorial I got some multiple of 8. Well and fine. Now here this odd quantity. See, for 5 factorial I'm getting 4 factorial into 5. That's a odd number only. For 6 factorial I'm getting 4 factorial into 5 into 6. Here I am getting 6. For further numbers also I am getting even number. So I can conclude that from here that n should be less than equal to 5. Now since n is less than equal to 5 and n is greater than equal to 4, I can say that n can be 4 or 5. Only these two possibilities. Well and fine. Now let's check for n is equal to 4. For n is equal to 4, what I am getting, 4 factorial is equal to 8 into 2 raised to power k minus 3 minus 1. Now what is 4 factorial? That is 24 is equal to 8 into 2 raised to power k minus 3 minus 1. Now if we cancel this, we are getting this 3. So can say that 2 raised to power k minus 3 is equal to 4, or I can say that k minus 3 is equal to 2 or k is equal to 5. Well and fine. So here from here I got one pair, that is 4 comma 5. Fantastic. Now let's come to the n is equal to 5. Now if you put n is equal to 5, what I am getting is 5 factorial is equal to 8 into 2 raised to power k minus 3 minus 1. So from here, what is 5 factorial? 24 into 5 is equal to 8 into 2 raised to power k minus 3 minus 1. So I am getting here 3, that is 2 raised to power k minus 3 minus 1 is equal to 15, or I can say that 2 raised to power k minus 3 is equal to 16. So from here I can say that k minus 3 is equal to 4, which gives us k is equal to 7. So second pair is 5 comma 7. Well and fine. Okay, so I can say that these are the only two possible answers. Hope you like the solution.